Hey everybody, I have a Chevy S10. The parking brake would not stay down. You wouldn't hear it click or anything. You can push it down and it would come right back up. So I figured it had to be cleaned out. So I just took the 3 bolts off. There are 3 bolts that are gonna hold this thing on. Okay, there's gonna be one towards the front of the vehicle, right up this way, and then there's one towards the driver's seat, right down here. And then there's a third one that you can't get to right away because you have to take the plastic covering off. That cable there is for the parking brake release lever that you pull to release the parking brake when it is engaged. Just pull that out of the way. Try not to damage that. It was real easy. So now to get to that third bolt, you have to move some stuff out of the way. So it gets you a 13 millimeter. Take the bottom 2 bolts out. That's a 13 millimeter. It came out pretty easy. You're gonna do the one towards the front of the car, and then you're gonna do the one here towards the back of the car. Like I said, this was a Chevy S10. I would imagine it works for any vehicle with a similar setup. But you gotta take these off, and then the plastic covering. You see those screws there? They're about 5 or 6 small screws. You take those out the way. Then you take the big screw out to hold this assembly on, and you're free. I didn't even disengage. I didn't even disconnect the parking brake cable, but I did disconnect. There's a little wire there that goes. It shows you when your parking brake is engaged. You see this little piece here? Okay, there's a wire that goes on that. So you want to take that wire off to get it out of the way. But don't forget it. Don't forget to put it back when you put the whole thing back together. So I basically had hair and debris and stuff. This is like a 1999 Chevy S10. See that switch there? You push it down, doesn't do anything. It's all sluggish. So what I got a rag. I laid it down. I sprayed the inside and out, the working parts, the springs, the teeth, all over. Now look at this. That's the same part I was just pushing in and out, and it was sluggish. Look at it now, snapping right back. I had to lubricate this thing. I didn't want to get another one, so I lubricated it. Got the dust, debris, hair, whatever was in there. Loosen everything up. I use penetrating oil. You can use WD-40 liquid wrench, and make sure everything is smooth, is flowing. Then you put everything together the way you disassembled it, and put the plastic pieces up there. You should be good to go. Just like that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.